Hello dear friends. So today we are starting Unit 8, Skills 2, Sports and Games. Here we go. So first of all, let's look at the new words, vocabulary. Ice skating, ice skating, ice skating. What does it mean in Vietnamese? This is in Vietnamese. And next one, create, create, create. Stress is in the second syllables. Create. Okay, so it's kind of verb. And tao za. And individual, individual, individual. It's kind of noun. And the stress is on the third syllables. Individual. Ka noun. Equipment, equipment, equipment. Don't forget P sounds. P. Equipment. And Chang Tiet B. Now let's match them. Okay, let's match. I will mix the meaning in Vietnamese and you will match them if you remember them or not. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. So do you remember their meaning in Vietnamese? What are their meaning? I will read for you one more time. Ice skating, ice skating. Create, create, create. And next one, individual, individual. And next one is equipment, equipment, equipment. And next one. So we have listening here. Okay, we will have an audio script. Okay, and then I will read for you this audio script. It's kind of listening, and we will have some questions for this listening part. First of all, let's read and listen to me. Okay, hello, my name is Hai. I love sports. I play volleyball at school and I often go cycling with my dad at the weekend. But my favorite sport is judo. I practice at the judo club 3 times a week. My name is Alice. I am 12 years old. I don't like doing sport very much, but I like watching ice skating on TV. My favorite hobby is playing chess. My friend and I play chess every Saturday. Hi, I am Bill. I am in grade 6 at Rosemaric Lower Secondary School. After my lessons, I like to play computer game. The game I like best is Angry Birds. I often play it for half an hour before dinner. I hope that I can create a new kind of computer game in the future. My name is Chung. I've got a lot of hobbies. I like playing the guitar, and I love to watch football on TV. I don't do much sport, but I often go swimming with my friends on hot days. Here we go. So listen to the passage or the text again. Who are they about? First of all, Hai was talking about herself, and then Alice was talking about herself, and Bill was talking about himself, and then Chung was talking about herself. Okay? Listen to the passage again. Second exercise. Listen to the passage again, then write true T or false F for each sentences. Okay, statements. So we have two columns here, as you see, true or false. If they are true, we'll tick true, or false, we tick false. Okay? And I will change my pen. Now, Hi. So Hi plays chess every Saturday. Hi plays chess every Saturday. Is it right or wrong? It is false. So, Hi goes cycling every Saturday. Doesn't play chess. Number 2. Angry Birds is Bill's favorite game. It is true. Number 3. Alice doesn't like doing sports very much. It is true. Chung, number 4. Chung is very good at playing football. It is false. What should it be? It should be like that. Chung loves to watch football on TV. Okay? And number 5. Bill's dream is to create a new game. It is exactly true. Here we go, next one. Number 3, exercise 3. Listen to the passage again and fill in each blank to complete the sentences. Number 1. Hai practices at the club 3 times a week. And Chung can play the guitar. Number 3. Alice likes watching ice skating. And 4. Bill is at Rosemary Lower Secondary School. And number 5. Chung goes swimming on hot days. On hot days. Hot days. Goes. And now writing exercise. So it's writing part. We have got an exercise about writing. So exercise 3. Write about a sport or game you like. Use your own ideas and the following as cues. First of all, you should write the name of the sport or game. Then, is it a team or an individual? Individual, it means one, okay, alone, or just one. Okay, individual, it means one to one, okay, only one. So, how long does it last? And how many players are there? And does it need any equipment? Equipment. P sound. Equipment. Okay. So we will have 3 kind of models. Okay. So it's their first model. Writing is like that. So you can write this text on your notebook and you can read it in the classroom. Okay? So you can write this text on your notebook. You can copy it on your notebook. Okay? So number 1. Let's read it together. My favorite sport is football. It's a team sport. It usually lasts for 90 minutes in an official football match with 2 halves. 45 minutes for each half. There are 11 players in each team. It's very easy to play because we need only one ball and a ground to play with. The players, especially the strikers, try to score by kicking the ball into the opponent's goal. The team which scores more goals is the winner. I usually play football with my friends in the afternoon. I love football very much because it's fun and good for health. Health. Okay? And second one. So model writing 2. My favorite game is badminton. I like it because it develops our mind, focus, and exercise our bodies. It's also a pastime game, like tennis. Badminton is both individual and team sport. 2 or 4 people can play the game with the rackets and a shuttlecock, a net, and a badminton course. I often play badminton with my sister and friends in the evening. Badminton can be played indoors or outdoors. It brings us lots of benefits such as relaxation and good health. Relaxation and good health. It also helps us develop friendship and better understanding. I think people should play badminton, and I am sure you will love it. Love it. Here we go. Now, model writing 3. Swimming has been my favorite sport since I was very small. My father taught me how to swim, and when I was just 5 years old, swimming is a cheap sport that players of all ages can do. All you need is just a swimsuit that makes you feel comfortable, and a pair of goggles that keeps water away from your eyes. It is a good sport that brings you physical and mental benefits. First of all, it's an excellent form of exercise because it's an all-body workout. It means all of your muscles are used during swimming, so you can stay in perfect shape. It also helps your heart and lungs become stronger. In addition, it's also an effective way to relax when you soak your body in cool water. I think people should do it to be relaxed and to keep fit so they can enjoy a better life. Here we go. So now it's the end of our class today. Please tell me what you have learned today. And now answer this question. Now please write me about your favorite sport in the comments below. So what's your favorite sport or game? And please tell me that in the comments below. Okay? And please subscribe to my channel not to miss my next videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you soon.